In the heart of South America lies Brazil, a nation of vast landscapes and diverse industries. The country's industrial sectors face unique challenges, from the expansive Amazon rainforest to the challenging terrains of mining operations. Let's explore how industries such as mining, agriculture, and manufacturing navigate these challenges, and why efficient pumping and dredging solutions are crucial. EDDY Pump stands out as the go-to choice when meeting Brazil's pumping and dredging needs. EDDY Pump's technology offers tailored solutions for mining and manufacturing, ensuring streamlined material transfer and river infrastructure maintenance. Opting to rent EDDY Pump equipment in Brazil gives industries the flexibility and cost-effectiveness essential for the ever-evolving nature of mining and manufacturing. Dive into the range of EDDY Pump products, from submersible slurry pumps to flooded suction pumps, designed to handle demanding industrial and dredging applications. Let's uncover the specific challenges faced by Brazil's industries and how EDDY Pump's solutions address these issues. EDDY Pump answers Brazil's unique challenges, from remote mining locations to sedimentation in water channels for agriculture. Now let's explore how EDDY Pump's solutions address the distinct needs of Brazil's mining, agriculture, and manufacturing sectors. EDDY Pump's self-priming slurry pumps excel in efficient material transfer, reducing operational costs and enhancing logistics efficiency in Brazil's mining operations. Prioritizing eco-friendly practices, EDDY Pump aligns with Brazil's stringent environmental regulations, ensuring responsible material transfer in the mining industry. Strategically located in São Paulo, Florianópolis, Curitiba, Vitória, and Belo Horizonte. In conclusion, Brazil's industrial sectors demand innovative solutions, and EDDY Pump emerges as the preferred partner, offering tailored and sustainable pump and dredge equipment. EDDY Pump's commitment to flexibility and scalability sets it apart. Renting through EDDY Pump allows businesses to adapt quickly to changing project demands without the burden of long-term obligations or hefty upfront costs. Explore our rental services today for reliable and efficient Brazil pump and dredge equipment rental and sales. With EDDY Pump, the future of your industry is in capable hands. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.